What's up guys? I know that one of the main reasons why people don't buy projectors is because they don't have large white walls at home. The first solution to this problem is to buy a white projection screen. However, it takes up a lot of space when you are not watching the projector. The second obvious solution is to use the ceiling. The ceiling is usually large and wide, so it is the perfect screen for a projector. Recently, projectors with rotating stands have become popular. For example, the new Clokowe T08. It has a 180 degrees rotation, auto keystone correction, and up to 200 inches screen size. Looks like it is great for ceiling projection. However, you can also use it on the walls and even on the floor. In addition, the Clokowe T08 projector supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, so you can mirror the screen of your smartphone. You know, this is an ultra-budget projector under $100, so I really want to check out the image quality. But let's start the review with unboxing. Unfortunately, the box was a bit damaged, but the projector inside is fine. By the way, I didn't tell you about the brightness and resolution of this projector, and you will not find them in the technical specification list on the box. We will talk about the resolution and brightness a little later. Inside the box is a projector, as well as accessories such as user manual and quick start guide, power cable, HDMI cable, and remote control. You know, it seems to be the first projector I have tested that doesn't need a projection screen and tripod, because it has a rotating stand to project on the ceiling. So the rotating stand is the main feature of the Clokowe T08 projector. It allows you to rotate the projector 180 degrees. The stand has a rubberized coating, so it is very stable at any angle on a flat surface. The angles do not change smoothly, because they have a stroke. However, the stroke is quite small, so you can choose the right projection angle for you. By the way, the stand is made of plastic, so you need to press it gently when changing tilt angle to avoid breaking it. Another feature of this projector is its compact size. The dimensions are 190 by 92 by 92 mm. It is also very lightweight, only 597 grams. However, it is still not a portable projector, because it doesn't have a built-in battery. You know, I really like the cylindrical shape of this projector. There is a lens on the front and a focus adjustment wheel on the top or bottom, depending on how you turn it. On the back we can see a power supply, IR receiver, USB port, headphone jack, HDMI port, and power button. By the way, the projector has an air inlet on the front panel and a vent on the back. I am not sure where the speaker is, but it is probably on the back too. So the projector has only a power button, while the rest of the control is done with the remote. It is powered by two 3A batteries. Overall, the remote is very simple and it has standard buttons such as power, mute, source, navigation, home, return, volume up and down, and mute. Okay, that's all about design, and now let's turn on the projector. The first time you turn it on, you need to adjust the focus and keystone correction. The Clokowe T08 projector has auto keystone correction, but I don't really like how it works. I used manual keystone correction. So the projector has a simple multimedia system, but I think it is based on Android, because when you connect to a Wi-Fi network, the keyboard comes up, just like on Android devices. Anyway, you cannot install any Android apps on this projector. You can use a wireless connection to cast a screen of your smartphone, tablet, or even laptop. There is DLNA, iOS Cast, and Android Mirrorcast on the home page. You can also use HDMI and USB connection. The settings menu of the Clokowe T08 projector has network and Bluetooth. We will talk about them a little later. There is only an HDMI available in the input signal. Display settings include auto keystone correction, manual keystone, initial angle correction, screen scaling, and projection mode. You can also turn on sound effects in the audio menu. There's only the projector name in general settings. By the way, Clokowe T08 supports many languages. I think this is another proof that the projector is powered by the Android system. Okay, now let's see how to use screen mirroring. There are 3 options on the home screen to connect Windows, iOS, and Android devices. I have an iPhone, so I will go to iOS cast. Then you need to connect to the same Wi-Fi network as on your smartphone. By the way, you can also use the cable to mirror your smartphone screen on the projector. However, I think the wireless method is more convenient. Now you just need to take your smartphone, go to screen mirroring and select the projector. The Clokowe T08 supports 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi, so the latency is very low. Silver dial. By the way, the watch case is made of metal. The button and crown on the side are made of stainless steel. I am surprised to see a crown on a budget smartwatch. But it cannot be used for navigation. I mean, if you twist it, nothing happens. Bluetooth will be useful for connecting headphones and external speakers to the projector. It is very easy to do. Just go to the settings menu, Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth, and scan nearby devices. My Apple AirPods connected without a problem. You know, Bluetooth is a very useful feature, because the built-in speaker of the projector is weak. It doesn't have enough bass, and it even lacks volume in some movies. The Clokowe T08 is a very compact projector, but it is still an LED projector, so it has a fan inside. However, it doesn't make much noise. It is about 47 decibels near the projector. And 40 decibels at 1 meter. As I said at the beginning of this video, the Clokowe T08 can project either on the wall or on the ceiling. And this is very convenient to do thanks to 180-degree rotating stand. I placed the projector about 3 meters away from the wall, and I have a screen size of 100 inches. The maximum projection size can be 200 inches. You know, I didn't say anything about the native resolution of this projector because it is not reported on Amazon or even in the user manual. We can only see 1080p support resolution in the user manual. When I connected my laptop to the projector via HDMI, I saw 1080p resolution. However, from my experience, I can tell you that the projector most likely have a native 720p resolution. The image is clear in the center, but it is blurry around the edges. This is a problem for most budget projectors. I also couldn't find any information about the contrast ratio and brightness of the Clokowe T08 projector. However, the image looks decent to me for a $100 projector.
hungry, little guy? You want a little more? What exactly is this about?
Do you know this man?
No.
Jack, Bob, Jack.
Pleasure. He just talked for 5 minutes to all the victims of her charms, and then he left. The one and only. Hey, where are you?
And listen, I suspect with a brand new invention, something. Please stop.
5 hours on a plane or 33 hours in the car?
Can someone unlock the car, please?
Working on how to bio Clokowe with that left-handed runner. He did that so well against Slovenia. Better from the team in room. Absolutely. Switch your play out to Wan-Bissaka. She sets up Casemiro to play the ball in. Two players, Sancho trying to get into the box. Not a good header in the end from Rashford.
We're a fucking lifeline.
I think the Clokowe T08 projector has a low brightness of about 150 ANSI, so it is better to use in a dark room. The projection is difficult to see in a bright room.
The 3.8 can get you going, get your shooting game into rhythm. Can get you going, get your shooting game into rhythm.
Stop. Collaborate and listen. ICE is back with a brand new invention, something. Please stop. Collaborate and listen. ICE is back with a brand new invention, something. Please stop.
So in this video, we tested an ultra-budget projector for under $100. In fact, you can buy it for only $79 on Amazon on Black Friday. I will leave the link in description under the video. Although we don't know the native resolution and brightness of the Clokowe T08 projector, the image looks pretty good. I'm also glad that this budget projector has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. However, its main feature is a 180-degree rotating stand that allows you to project the screen onto the wall or ceiling. Thank you for watching this video, see you soon!